The survey of 500 students was carried out to find the television station they like watching. The survey was, or the results were as follows. 60 liked watching TV, Citizen TV and KTN News. 130 liked watching KTN News. 155 liked watching Citizen TV. So the first is to draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information and use the Venn diagram to answer the question that follows. So it's very clear that in this question, two main sets are of interest: set of those who like watching Citizen TV and set of those who like watching KTN News. So we'll draw a rectangle to represent our universal set, whose cardinality would be 500, corresponding to the total number of students who are in the survey. And then inside the rectangle, we draw two circles to illustrate the set for those who like watching Citizen TV and the other set for those who like watching KTN News. So let's illustrate that. So we'll have, without loss of mentality, let's take C to represent those who like watching Citizen TV and K, KTN News. I'm just picking C and K for convenience so that whenever I say C, I relate to Citizen TV. When I say K, I relate to KTN News. But you could as well pick other letters. So this is the universal set whose cardinality will be 500. And then we have this SBC, and then we have this K. Without loss of generality, label this parts as A, B, C, and D. So it's very clear that A plus B plus C plus D total is 500. Quality question. And then 60 liked watching Citizen and KTN News. So 60 is a cardinality of S intersect K. 130 liked watching KTN News. So cardinality of K is 130. And 155 liked watching Citizen TV. 155 is the cardinality of C. So C is A plus B. So A plus B is 155. Call it question 2. B plus C is what constitutes the K set, which is 130. Call it 3. And 60 is where the C meets K, and that is part B. So this is the same as part B. So you can comfortably fill this section by 60. Now with that as 60, from equation 3, we can get C. So because C will be 130 minus B, which is 60. 130 minus 60 is 70. So this is 70. And then from 2, we can get A. So A is the same as 155 minus B, which is 60. And 155 minus 60 is nothing but 95. So this is 95. To get D is very easy from equation 1 because we know A, B, C. So this is 95 plus 60 plus 70 plus D is 500. So 95 plus 60 plus 70, 225 plus D equals to 500. So if I subtract this from 500, I get 275. So this is 275. So first part on Venn diagram is complete. So then now let's go to respond to the questions that follows. Find the number of students who like watching Citizen TV or KTN News. It's as good as being asked to find the cardinality of C union K. And from this diagram, you are referring to part A plus B plus C. Should be 95 plus 60 plus 70. So 95 plus 60 plus 70 is nothing but 225. So the answer to the first part for students who like watching Citizen TV or KTN News is 225. Second part, liked watching KTN News, but not Citizen TV. So means you are only in K, but you can't be counted to be in C. So to be in K and fail to be counted to be in C means you are here. So the answer to that part is 70. And then next, liked watching only one of the two stations, only one of the two, means you either like watching Citizen TV alone or watching KTN News alone. So it means you are either in A or C. So the answer to that part will be 95 plus 70, which will be 165. Then part 4, neither liked any of the two stations. So means you are outside the two circles, and the answer is 275. Lastly, liked watching Citizen TV but not KTN News. So you are in C and you shouldn't be counted to be in K, and that means you are in this part A. So the answer to that part 5 is 95. So that's how we were supposed to respond to that given problem.